Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve incredible wealth while others struggle despite working tirelessly? The answer lies in a simple but powerful truth. Traditional jobs won't make you wealthy. Robert Kiyosaki's groundbreaking insights from Rich Dad Poor Dad reveal why relying on a steady paycheck could be the very thing holding you back. Let's uncover why the rich don't work for money, and how you can adopt their strategies to create lasting wealth. Let's get started. Number 10. The myth of job security. The belief that a stable job provides financial security is one of the most widespread myths holding people back from true wealth. Job security is often just an illusion. Even the most dependable positions can be eliminated in a moment due to layoffs, restructuring, or technological advancements. Over time, this false sense of security can lead to complacency, making it harder to take the necessary steps to build financial independence. Relying on a job alone to secure your future leaves you exposed to risks beyond your control, such as economic downturns or company failures. Breaking free from this mindset is essential for creating a more stable and prosperous financial future. Number 9. Income dependency. The trap of the middle class. Many individuals fall into the trap of depending solely on their primary income to cover expenses, save, and invest for the future. This dependency creates a cycle where people work endlessly to earn money, only to spend it on necessities and luxuries, leaving little room for wealth-building activities. If the primary income source disappears, financial stability collapses, often leading to debt or hardship. This pattern is especially prevalent in the middle class, where higher earnings frequently result in increased spending rather than smarter investments. Recognizing this trap is the first step to shifting focus from earning to building multiple streams of income, paving the way for long-term financial security and independence. Number 8. The psychological toll of working for money. Working solely for money can create significant psychological burdens, including stress, anxiety, and a sense of unfulfilled potential. Many people feel trapped in jobs they dislike, compelled to continue because they rely on the income to maintain their lifestyles. This constant pressure can lead to burnout, strained relationships, and even physical health issues over time. The rich, as Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes, escape this toll by focusing on creating systems that generate passive income. These systems provide financial freedom and allow individuals to spend their time on pursuits they genuinely enjoy. The emotional and mental benefits of financial independence are just as valuable as the monetary rewards it brings. Number 7. Limited growth potential in traditional jobs. Traditional jobs often come with a fixed income structure that limits financial growth, regardless of effort or dedication. Raises and promotions, while desirable, are typically incremental and subject to company budgets or policies. Furthermore, salaries are capped by industry standards, making it challenging to achieve exponential income increases within the confines of employment. This lack of scalability is a fundamental barrier to wealth creation. In contrast, those who focus on building assets, such as investments or businesses, unlock the potential for unlimited growth. By shifting focus from earning a paycheck to generating wealth through scalable means, individuals can break free from the financial constraints of traditional employment. Number 6. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. One of Robert Kiyosaki's most profound lessons is that the wealthy don't work for money. Instead, they make money work for them. This principle is rooted in the idea of creating assets that generate income passively, such as investments, rental properties, or businesses. Unlike a paycheck, which requires ongoing effort, these assets continue to produce income regardless of active involvement. This approach allows the rich to prioritize financial growth over immediate earnings, ultimately leading to greater wealth over time. Embracing this philosophy involves a significant mindset shift. moving away from the traditional model of trading time for money and toward building a portfolio of income-generating assets. Number 5. The power of passive income. One of the most powerful strategies for wealth building is creating passive income. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to earn money with minimal effort once the initial setup is complete. This could come from investments in rental properties, dividends from stocks, or income generated from online businesses like a blog or e-commerce store. The key to passive income is that it continues to flow even when you're not actively working. For the rich, this becomes a vital tool in generating wealth, as they can use their time for new opportunities while their investments generate steady income. By prioritizing passive income, you break free from the limitations of traditional jobs and unlock financial freedom, ensuring your money works for you. Number 4. Financial education, the rich dad advantage. Financial education is one of the most critical tools for building wealth, yet it is often overlooked in traditional schooling. Understanding concepts like assets, liabilities, investments, and cash flow is essential for making informed financial decisions. The wealthy invest in their financial education, equipping themselves with the knowledge needed to navigate complex economic landscapes and seize opportunities. Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad taught him to prioritize learning about money management over simply earning more. This foundational understanding allows the rich to make strategic choices that minimize risk and maximize returns, setting them apart from those who rely solely on a paycheck. Financial literacy is the starting point for lasting wealth. Number 3. Entrepreneurship, owning your financial destiny. Entrepreneurship offers a powerful pathway to financial freedom, allowing individuals to take control of their income and wealth-building potential. Unlike traditional employment, which often limits earning capacity and growth, owning a business provides opportunities for scalability and innovation. Entrepreneurs can create multiple income streams, reinvest profits, and build assets that appreciate over time. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the value of entrepreneurship as a way to break free from the constraints of working for someone else. By taking calculated risks and focusing on creating value, entrepreneurs can achieve financial independence and design lives aligned with their goals and passions. This proactive approach is a hallmark of the wealthy mindset. Number 2. Shifting your mindset. Think like the rich. To escape the cycle of working for money, it's essential to adopt a mindset that aligns with wealth building. The rich don't just work for a paycheck. They think strategically about how to make their money work for them. Instead of focusing on earning more through jobs, they invest in assets that generate income. They prioritize financial education, learning about investing, and understanding how to leverage their wealth. Shifting your mindset involves recognizing that time is your most valuable asset. The wealthy use their time to create opportunities, whether through investments or businesses. If you start thinking like the rich, you'll stop exchanging time for money and begin to build wealth through smart financial strategies. Number 1. Taking action. Practical steps to build wealth. Understanding. The principles of wealth creation is only the first step. Putting them into practice is where transformation happens. Taking action involves setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, and consistently investing in income-generating assets. Starting small, such as saving a portion of income for investments or exploring side hustles, can lead to significant progress over time. Education is also crucial. Reading books, attending seminars, and seeking mentorship provide the knowledge needed to make informed decisions. Robert Kiyosaki's philosophy emphasizes that wealth building is a journey requiring discipline, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt. By taking proactive steps today, individuals can create a foundation for lasting financial success. Breaking free from the traditional job cycle is not just about earning more, it's about thinking differently. By adopting Kiyosaki's principles, you can transition from working for money to having money work for you. The journey to wealth begins with financial education, smart investments, and a shift in mindset. It's not easy, but the rewards are life-changing. Will you take the first step today? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and inspired.